Welcome to Dipansh video time. In this video, we are going to be making a space effect in Scratch. So, what do you need? First, we need a black background. Then you need a costume, and in that costume, make a box like a simple square. Then create a red square and make it go to the back. So when we show our sprite, it should look something like this. Ooh, the sign of Roblox. Then we can select that and make it invisible. Invisible. There we go. And then, yep, we can start coding. Okay, so make a variable called speed. And let's do this. Okay, so first we can put a when green flag clicked forever. We can set size to 31. Pick random 31. 31 to 100. Then we can set speed to our size. So set speed to size minus 30. Okay. Don't put size to lesser than 31 because we're setting our speed to size minus 30, right? Then if our size is 30 or below, our speed will be 0 and then it will not move. Then our game will go haywire. Okay, then we can point in direction. Pick random again. Like everything from now is picked random. 31 to 360. Then set Y to pick random 100 negative 180 to 180. Then we can change by negative 250. Now why negative 250? It's because that we want to make it a little bit closer to the edge. So it will look like it's starting from our beyond of sight. Then we can create gloom and hide. Now we can do our when it starts as a clone. So when it starts as a clone first show. Then we will repeat 250 times. I will change by speed. Let's give it a go. Okay. It looks so good. Okay, so now what do we need? Well, our game is starting to lag. Well, obviously it's lagging. Now, when it touches the edge, so if touching edge, we want to delete the clone. And this is where our invisible border comes. Because, see, if it touches like this, it won't barely hide. So we need an invisible border, so when it touches it, it will hide somewhere around here. Yeah, it will hide somewhere around here. Okay, so touching edge, we can delete this clone. Let's give it a go. And woohoo! A game is not lagging. And with that, and our animation is looking great. It's looking perfect. Okay, so what do we have left? We have left to create a spaceship. Okay, so let's go to the Scratch library and find the spaceship. Rocket. Oh, rocket. Oh, rocket ship here. Okay, now we can put its rotation So direction to somewhere around negative 90. Not negative 90, 0. Yeah, set it to 0. Mm. Okay, so then we can set size to a little bit smaller. So set size to 70%. Great. We can make it go somewhere around here. And then forever, we can um next costume, wait 0.1 second. Yeah, it's quite fast, like 0.005 second. We don't want it 0.0005 seconds. Okay, we made it for 0.1 second will do. And yep, it's working. We have our space animation. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Punch video time is out.